Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Darren Wright here, the Wright Inspector. Today we are in what was a cover that somebody decided to close in and turn into living space and add some outlets and lights, and they put a sub panel in. So as soon as I see this, it screams homeowner. You do not need 6, 15, one of them's a 15, but 520 amp circuits for lights. Lights do not pull that much power. You do not need one circuit breaker for every light in the house. That would amount to 30 or 40 circuit breakers. So this is overkill, unprofessional. So we know right off the bat, we're going to see stuff inside here. We have grounds and neutrals on the same bar. Not supposed to do that on a sub panel. We have 2 wires twisted up under 1 screw. Again, that's a fire hazard. That breaker is not made to do that. He could have put an extra breaker in. He's got room. Might as well use all 8 breakers for this. So, unprofessional work that we can see here. Now we got to look closer at everything else. Hopefully that's all we find. Have a great day, and don't forget to call the Wright Inspector.